Welcome to Computer Integrated Manufacturing. CIM is Computer Integrated Manufacturing, which it was called precision machining. We learn the manual machining, making things with mills, lathes, but we also learn more of how to use CNC machines, which is why it's called Computer Integrated Manufacturing.
We get experience on everything from lathes to CNC machines to grinders to drill presses.
I chose this program because I think it will help me later in life, even if I don't go into this field specifically.
We have the opportunity to earn multiple credits through Penn College, and then they give you the option to do your OSHA 10, which everybody in my shop just completed.
We can do co-op. Co-op is where students during their third semester can go out and work for somebody else and make money. The most important thing to know is that you will make mistakes. And the good thing about career tech is that the people who are around you, your classmates and your teachers, will be able to help you when you make mistakes.
Get it done right the first time. Whenever we do a part, if it's out of inspection, if it's a couple thousandths of an inch off, we might have to redo the whole part.
I would recommend this to someone who is interested in making things with their own hands. I think this trade also teaches patience, which is necessary for everywhere.